What's going on YouTube? Solandred here. I am currently washing my car, as you can see, and I noticed something. My rain rails were kind of clogged, which is kind of weird because it doesn't leak into the cabin just yet, but I thought I'd show you guys how I fix it. I know a lot of you guys have this little trombone cleaner off of Amazon. You just clip that in and, you know, put it through the rain rail. But in my case, it was not working, unfortunately. So I did something that I use on my NC Miata, and I'm gonna show you that right now. So all you need, I have a drill, and it's attached to a wire coat hanger that I kind of undid. And at the end, I kind of made this little loop-de-loop type of thing. So it's kind of like a corkscrew almost, right? And all we're gonna do is put it into the drain hole and undrain it. So I already did this side. As you can see, the water and all the dirt that fell out, and as you can see, it is empty right now. There's more of the water that fell out, and then over here it is dry, but if you go in here and look, there's still water from when I washed the car. So all I'm gonna do is try to put you right there, and I'm just gonna feed the hanger through the hole, and the hole is usually like right, you see where my middle finger is, right underneath there. So all you do is zip it in and turn the drill on and kind of go in an up and down motion. Don't want to go too deep, but yeah. As you can see, I'm going up and down right now. There's no water coming out, but I'm gonna go deeper and turn it on. We'll see what happens. And as you can see, everything that was clogged is kind of dismantled and made into smaller pieces, and it is currently on the floor. And just for good measure, I'm gonna take my water I got here and just kind of pour it down the drain and see. There it goes. So everything is coming out pretty well. All you do after that is kind of just follow it up with some hot water, and that should keep it clear, unless you like park underneath a tree or something like that. Luckily I don't have any trees here.